Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wise to reduce fees on insurance remittances. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Wise, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Wise website at wise.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will see options to create an account for personal use or for a business. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you choose personal, enter your email address and create a secure password. If registering for a business, provide your business email and create a password. After entering your details, click on the Continue button. Next, you will need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Wise. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Now, return to the Wise website and log in with your email and password. Once logged in, fill in the required personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. Provide any additional information required for identity verification. Wise may ask for identification documents, so have them ready to upload. After submitting your information, review everything for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click on the Submit button. You may be asked to wait for verification, which usually takes a few minutes. Once verified, you can start using Wise for transferring funds. To send insurance remittances, click on the Send Money option. Enter the amount you wish to send and the currency. Choose the recipient's currency and add their payment details. Review the fees that Wise will charge for the transaction. You will notice that fees are generally lower compared to traditional banks. Confirm the transaction by clicking on the Continue button. Review the transaction summary one final time. If everything looks good, click on Send to complete your remittance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.